Hello, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. How are you doing tonight? Tonight or today, depending on whichever part of the world you are living in currently. Yeah, so this is my newest deck for the other nine sun signs and moon rising. I used a different deck. I used the Light Seers deck for your reading. I'm using the Wheel of the Tarot deck. So don't tell the other ones I use this deck for you. So today we are going to see about your career and your love life. And for the next 3 months, that is for the rest of 2020, I got a bit late, so I got a little bit caught up in work, guys. So, and I will also not be posting as much as I do for this month because I have some work which I have to attend to this month. And, but I will surely be available for doing your readings. And so let's see what's going on in the career sphere of our Aquarius, Libra, Gemini people. Let's find out what's going on. This will be a brief reading, guys. I want to see what's going on for the rest of the year. Okay, so we already have this card pop out at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so here we have, if you can see the card, the Ten of Wands. Oh my god, alright. What else? What else is there for the rest of the year? What's going on? What's going on? I cannot take so many cards, Spirit. Give me one card. These cards are a bit. Wow. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Okay. All right. Then we have. What do we have? I see a lot of struggle, guys. It's like almost like losing a penny. That's what I see over here. It's like you guys are initially in the start of October. Oh my God! There's the Ace of Cups in reverse. You guys are feeling really hopeless maybe in the start of this month, or you are going to feel like that because initially in this quarter, because I feel like some of you are really going through a tough time financially, and you may be working very hard, but you are really looking you are this close to achieving something, and you have really almost given up right now. You feel hopeless, like there's nothing. Okay, I want to see what's going on in your career. This is for the beginning, like I want to see what's going on. I cannot leave you guys on that bad note. What's going on, Spirit? What's coming for them? Okay. Oh my god. We have the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so we have two aces. Both the aces are in reverse. Maybe you feel like there is an opportunity which you might have missed in the beginning. I do feel like there is something else which is waiting for you, but you are just not able to see it right now. A new beginning could be in the horizon for you guys, but right now it's just I will take some clarification for these two cards, please, Spirit. Because I think there is something else going on which I'm suspecting, and I just want to make sure that it's that, because this is definitely all right. Oh my god, see, we have the Temperance in reverse. I think you guys really you guys will have to really look forward for opportunities right now. I think you are really all over the place. You're overthinking something, and your energy is not balanced right now. Initially, in the beginning of October, I see that you guys will be feeling a little bit hard pressed for money. Maybe because this is going to be the beginning of the festive season, so maybe this could be that. But I also see that you guys are feeling like, so see, this is like she is filling the cup, but the cup is like, it's like overflowing in the wrong direction. So I think some of you guys need to refocus your energy, and you are putting in energy in something, but you need to be putting it in something else. So that's the kind of vibe I'm getting from your pile. I want to see this pile. Please, spirit, please clarify this. What's going on? You guys need to really refocus. You guys need to spend more time focusing on something else. You are spending time, maybe you're thinking about a past relationship, and all your energy is going over there. And you are being really asked to change your focus, change your energy, so that you can manifest a good fortune. Okay, why is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse? Okay, we have the Sun card. Thank you, thank you. So we have the Sun card, guys. So you are being asked to see. There's the Six of Wands. So you guys really, really need to pay attention. So I think we got this right. The Sun card is also like a yes card, like a confirmation card. So as I was telling you guys earlier, that you are focusing your energy on something else, and you need to be focusing more on your career, more on this pentacle, okay, on this on your work. So once you start doing that, I think you guys will really have a good time, and you will get this recognition, you will be rewarded for it. So but you need to take the first steps towards it, okay. So this is what's going to happen, guys. If you're feeling a little bit tight on the money, you need to refocus. You need to change your focus into something else, into your work. Even if you're working, you need to refocus. You need to change some things up, so that you can have this, okay, recognition. So I want to go to your love reading now and see what's going on in your love life, and how it is going to be like. I'm really happy that. So what's going on in your love life? Let's find out. What's going on in your love life? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. What's going on in your love life? Okay. The Strength in reverse. I'll push this back. The Strength in reverse. Then see, again we have the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So this is like a theme for you guys. We have the Three of Cups over here, and we have the Judgment in reverse. So most of the cards are in reverse, I think, over here. No? Yes, I will be taking them in this fashion, because I think most of the cards in this deck are reverse. See, the bottom of the deck is Justice in reverse. I really want to say that, I think for most of you guys, there's something major coming on in your love relationship, because there's a lot of celebration coming, because there's two major arcanas over here, and I just cannot ignore the fact that there's this Ace of Pentacles over here, and there was that Ace of Pentacles in reverse over there. I don't feel like in your love reading this will be in reverse. That's not what I am getting. But I feel like for a long time, many of you have been very, very strong. You have had to hold on to courage, and the universe has recognized that. Almost, it's almost like you are being rewarded for your strength for so long. You're being rewarded for your courage, and for the rest of the year, a lot of happy times await you. It's like there's this judgment. I'll shuffle more cards to see. Wow. Okay, so there's this. See, look at your energy. Look at that energy. The Empress, the Hermit. Something major is coming, guys, in your love life. Okay, for this for the last 3 months, and I feel like you are going to feel at your best. See what's at the bottom of the deck. It's the Hierophant. Some of you guys will be attending a wedding, and you will find someone over there. And I feel like for others who are married, I think you can expect to have a, if you're trying for a baby, I think it will be in the progress. For most of you guys, I feel like that you will attend some sort of wedding or some sort of event, and you will find someone over there. For a long lot, for many of you guys, I feel like that you've been waiting for something, some outcome, and you know what, there's a window opening. I'll not say that it will come, but what I can see is that there's a window of opportunity in this love relationship, because okay, because you are at the peak of your health, and by health I just don't mean in physically. You are at the peak of health spiritually, mentally, physically, in every way, and the universe is almost rewarding you. So I already told you, it's like the universe is rewarding you. And the Hierophant card, and see beneath that we have the Fool. Wow, all major arcanas, guys. I just can't believe it. Your energy is very on the point, and we have this in your career, the Six of Wands. That's beautiful energy, guys. You will receive some sort of information, some sort of knowledge, or some sort of wisdom you will gather, which will make which will align you with this blessing. So I feel like you will be ready to receive whatever it is the universe has to offer. But more so, I feel like this wisdom, this knowledge that you will gain, for most of you, I feel like you will go to some person and you will seek that wisdom as some sort of spiritual knowledge maybe, and that will really shape your energy. That will put you in the right energy for you to receive this blessing. And I think a lot of good times are waiting for you. Yeah, this is very, very good. So that's it for now. Please subscribe, like, and share. Let me know in the comments if it resonated. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.